Hey, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So today I was working on a period property. I absolutely love working on period properties. So I was up in Old Town. There's a lot of beautiful houses up there, and they're just gorgeous. So I worked on the two front doors, and one of which was an actual stained glass window. And so you can't just go about heavy-handedly readjusting these doors using any kind of like hammers or anything, because these stained glass doors, they're a thing of beauty, and you kind of got to be a bit more delicate with them. So the customer's really happy because the door didn't shut at all, and so I re-straightened the door and got it to shut perfectly with a lovely little click. So really happy about that. And one of the other doors, because they're really old, they sometimes twist or warp. And if there's enough sort of likes on this video, then, and also sort of like comments saying, oh Ian, please make a video on how you straighten a warped door, I'll probably do one. But generally magicians never reveal their secrets, otherwise they don't have a job. And that's similar for myself. So if you want to know my secrets, then like this video, and if I'm in a nice generous mood, I might do a video on like how to straighten doors for you guys out there. So take care, have a beautiful day. My name's Ian. I'm a pay-as-you-go handyman. That just means that you pay as you go, and you just make a long list of things for me to do, and then I'll try my hardest to work through them. I'm a bit sweaty Betty, because it's a little bit of a workout sometimes, but I really enjoy it. I love my job, really passionate about it. I hope that comes across in these videos, and I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend. So this was the front door that was sticking, the one in question, and it was actually, the water was actually getting into the wood at the bottom and causing it to swell, so I had to treat that. This is the other front door as well, absolutely stunning, beautiful period property. This is working on one of the hinges, and just getting it all beautifully realigned for the customer. So it's got that beautiful click. This is another door that I was working on inside the property as well. Again, this was the final beautiful click. Lovely, lovely jubbly. That's the way we want it. And this was the internal one, again, after I've beautifully realigned it. One finger push close, click. Nice, beautiful. And that's what I do. It takes a lot of skill to get doors to do this, and I've spent a long time on my trade, on my craft, and the easiest way to book me is online. And I'm a pay-as-you-go handyman, so just book me on my website, find a time that suits yourself, and then I turn up and I work through a long list of different jobs that you'd like me to do. I hope you have a beautiful day, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.